To accept payments on your Wix website, head over to your Wix dashboard and then click on Getting Paid from the left-hand side panel. Click on Connect and Set Up. Scroll down and under this Manage Payment Methods, click on Other Payment Methods. From here, you're able to connect Wix payments or other third-party providers so your customers can pay you. You can select your business location up top, as well as whether you want to offer multi-currency or not. As you can see, I already have manual payments connected. To add a new payment method to Wix, scroll down and choose the option of your choice. In my case, it allows me to accept credit cards, Boleto Bancário, and Pix with Wix, PayPal, Mercado Pago, and PagBank. For instance, I'm going to click on Connect next to PayPal to accept PayPal payments on my Wix website. All you have to do is follow the Connect instructions. If you wish, you can also see the fees over here on the right. So let's go ahead and scroll down and add our account information. In my case, that's my email address. Once you're done doing so, click on Connect at the bottom. Now that I have a number of payment methods connected to my Wix website, we can head back to the Getting Paid tab to select the way we want to accept payments. These include pay links, invoices, price quotes, proposals, and POS checkout. Let me walk you through each one. Under Pay Links, you're able to get paid instantly by selling items from your catalog or request custom payments, setting up shipping, customizing checkout and tracking orders, sharing pay links with clients or embed on your site, and choosing how many times you get paid for each link. Under Invoices, you're able to send invoices and get paid. You're able to create invoices for your services or products, request payments from your customers and get paid online, and manage and track all your invoices in one place. With Price Quotes, you're able to create, manage, and send price quotes to potential clients. You're able to send price quotes to potential customers in minutes, convert accepted quotes into invoices, and get paid online faster with automatic invoices. With Proposals, you're able to win more clients in business with proposals by getting paid quickly or over time with multiple payments, working efficiently with automated invoices and contracts, and saving your favorite templates for future proposals. Under POS Checkout, you're able to take payments in person and sync with your store with a Wix point of sale. You're able to sell in person and online from one connected catalog, accept payments fast with Tap to Pay or a Wix card reader, sync inventory, orders, and customers across every location in real time, and track sales and manage staff from a single dashboard. To set up any of these Wix payments, all you have to do is select the one of your choice, such as Pay Links, and then click on the blue button, in this case on the button that says Create Link. Then, all you have to do to create a custom pay link, for instance, is add the link name, such as registration fee, include the price and tax, if any, add a description if you wish, add the item image, as well as open settings, such as set an expiration date, limit the number of payments, and mark a shippable order. Once you're done doing so, click on Create Pay Link at the bottom. For even more Wix tips and tricks on how to set up payments on your Wix website, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.